Hello guys, welcome to the knowledge domain, the concept of life sciences in biotechnology. Today we are going to discuss microRNA, which is a small non-coding RNA with a 22 nucleotide in length. We know that 98.5% of our genome is junk, means it is introns. We do not code for any polypeptides, but these microRNAs are encoded in these introns. These are transcribed by the RNA polymerase II. They generate a stem loop containing primary microRNA, PRI microRNA, which can range in size from the hundreds nucleotide to tens of kilobases. The processing of the microRNA starts before the splicing. The post-transcriptional gene regulation is taken care by these microRNAs through translational inhibition or the mRNA destabilization. The naming of the microRNA gene is predicted from the stem loop portion of the primary transcript, and the numbering is sequential, like a specific sequence of the microRNA is named today mouse MIR352, and there is a new discovery of a microRNA. In a subsequent publication, it will be numbered as 353. And the details of this numbering you will get from mirbase.org. The process of synthesis of microRNA from the primary microRNA is exactly similar or similar in process like the preparation of the siRNA from the double-stranded RNA. Still, we will discuss in detail for clarity. So this is the genome. There is a lot of repetitive sequence in this genome. Because of the aberrant transcription, RNA polymerase II transcribes the primary microRNA or the PRI microRNA in the presence of DGCR8 and the PASA. These are the double-stranded RNA binding domain protein. And this DROSA is a RNase 3 nuclease. The character of this RNase 3 nuclease is there is a 2 nucleotide 3' overhang that we will see in this 70 nucleotide product, which is called as precursors microRNA or the pre-microRNA. This pre-microRNA will be exported into the cytoplasm from the nucleus by the exportin 5 by RAN GTP dependent path. In the cytoplasm, there is another RNase 3 nuclease known as dicer in the presence of transactivation response RNA binding protein TRBP and loquacious. This pre-microRNA will be processed into a 21 nucleotide miRNA star duplex. This 21 nucleotide miRNA star duplex will be recruited into the RNA-induced silencing complex that contains Argonaute, which is an enzyme that results in the endolytic cleavage of this mRNA. This regulation of translation is a new layer of regulatory control over the gene expression, and the microRNA, as we discussed in our RNAi lecture, that it binds to the seed region of the poly A tail site or the 3' site of the mRNA or the 3' untranslated region of the mRNA. So the microRNA 16 bind to the AU rich element, and microRNA 29b another example. This microRNA, it imports microRNA into the nucleus. So to get a better understanding of the cleavage pattern of the miRNA star complex, this is exactly the same process, but we will focus here. So here in this case, what we see in the this is the miRNA star complex. In the beginning of the assembly of the RNA into silencing complex, there is a portion where you can see the loop, which will result in when it will bind to the mRNA, the mismatch. So this part will stay in the pre-RISC, and the another portion of this miRNA, that will be miRNA star. This is the miRNA star will be typically degraded in the cytoplasm. And this loop containing miRNA will be present in the RISC, and when it will hybridized with the mRNA, there will be the halt of the translation. So the translation will be blocked. But there are some reports that miRNA also blocks the elongations of the protein synthesis. So how there is a target identification by the microRNA. This is an example of the C elegans. This is the mRNA, lean 14. Here you can see there are the 7 complementary region of the seed sequence of the microRNA. Lean 4 is a microRNA. It will go and hybridize with its own seed sequence to its complementary present in the T untranslated region of this mRNA lean 14. So after this hybridization, there is a halt of this translation process because there is a mismatch. And this lean 4 is responsible for the first larva to the second larva transition, and it has a very important role in the adult lifespan regulation, as this lean 4 absence results in the failed transition from the larva first stage into the second stage, as well as there is a lot of lacuna in the adult one lifespan. Similarly, LET7 is the microRNA that will inhibit the translation from the mRNA lean 41. But this seed sequence complementary is found to be present in other mRNAs like the LHBL1, DAF12, quark head transcription factor PHA4. But the regulation of the translation from this mRNA is compartmentalized. So depending on the microenvironment requirement, these microRNAs, they perform their functions. And in the previous slide also, I discussed that the microRNA reinforces transcriptional control at the translation level. So this is for the tight regulation of the expression of the various genes. When you will study the transcription, you will see that there is a transcription regulation, and the expression of the gene is also regulated in this translation process at the RNA into silencing complex, as we were discussing in the RNAi as well as the microRNA lectures. So microRNA is found to be involved in oncogenes as well as the tumor suppressor genes. Viruses use the microRNA in their effort to control their host cell, and the host cell use the microRNA to target essential viral functions. MicroRNA has the role in the developmental switch as well as the noise reduction. So we have already discussed so many types of the small RNAs like shRNA, stRNA, siRNA, and now microRNA. So there are some other type of RNAs which are non-coding, like the LNC RNA, which is a long non-coding RNA, having length more than 200 nucleotides, small circular RNA, small nuclear RNAs, small RNA associated to promoters, RNA initiators of transcription, as well as a very important RNA, the PI RNA, the PUE interacting RNA, which is 26 to 31 nucleotide in length, and it is a subtype of the Argonaut protein. The other examples are the mouse protein mealy, MUE, and perhaps the MUE2. It has role in the gametogenesis. And there is a competing endogenous RNA that binds with the binding with the messenger RNAs. So there is a competition with the cRNA and the microRNA, and they regulate each other, as they share the microRNA recognition element mRNAs. So in this table, there is a comparison between the microRNA, siRNA, and the piRNA. The length of microRNA is 22 nucleotides. siRNA also around 21 nucleotides. piRNA is 24 to 31 nucleotides. The processing enzyme is DOSA and dicer in case of microRNA. In case of the silencing RNA, it is dicer. In case of the piRNA, it is Duchenne. miRNA derived from the single-stranded RNA hairpin, because this is also responsible for the translation halt as there is a mismatch. This is a single-stranded RNA duplex. This is a long-stranded RNA. The Argonaut subfamily, which gives the endolytic cleavage, is the AGO in both microRNA and the siRNA. It is PUE in case of the piRNA. Mechanism of action: miRNA mostly translational repression, sometimes mRNA degradation. siRNA lead to the RNA cleavage, and the piRNA repression of the transpositions and the epigenetic changes. So microRNA regulate protein coding genes, siRNA regulate protein coding genes as well as the transpositions and the antiviral defense. And the piRNA, it is involved in the transposition silencing and some other unknown functions. Thank you.